The Dream City is an urban project developing in the northern sector of Cartagena. One of its founding pillars is cemented in the harmonious enjoyment of nature's resources as a gift to both be admired and preserved. Let us talk about one of the key ecosystems of this region, the Cienega de Juan Polo Lagoon, which makes up part of the Cienega de la Virgen urban wetlands. Throughout the years, these ecosystems have faced challenging situations, which Serena del Mar will contribute towards their improvement, both for the betterment of the project and the region. Let's begin by understanding the magnitude of the Cienega de la Virgen wetlands, a coastal lagoon over 4 miles long and over 2.5 miles wide. This ecosystem houses over 700 acres of mangrove, twisting and turning through books, canals, and deltas that connect it to the Caribbean Sea. Its banks, teeming with life, are the natural habitat for various crabs, fish, and mollusks. It is also home to over 150 different species of native and migratory birds, as well as various furry creatures such as monkeys, armadillos, and capybara. Additionally, a fourth of the population of Cartagena calls the banks of the Ciénaga home. And here is its location. Here is where we find Serena del Mar. It is within the Juan Polo sector where the direct influence of the project will lie. It is an important ecosystem that lends its resources to the entire region. It contributes to mitigate the effects of climate change and offers spaces for recreational, cultural, and touristic activities. To preserve the Ciénaga, we need to be ready to face challenges that are as massive as the benefit that the region brings. First challenge. There are several waterways leading to the Ciénaga that bring with them city storm drain water, sewage, trash, oil, and hydrocarbonic waste. It is estimated that over 4,300 metric tons of waste are thrown into canals every year that end up polluting the Ciénaga. Second challenge. The indiscriminate deforestation of the mangrove ecosystem is an ever present problem. The mangrove coverage density has diminished between 30 to 50% over the past 30 years. Third challenge. The agricultural activities of the region exacerbate the pollution of the Ciénaga by dumping pesticides and chemicals in its waterways. Due to all of these challenges and more, over the course of 60 years, the Ciénaga has lost an important waterway known as the Boca de los Manzanillos. In 1999, the Bocana Estabilizada de Mareas was set in motion to mitigate the impact of sewage water on the southern part of the Ciénaga de la Virgen. This would allow for a water exchange with the ocean that would permit the southern part of the Ciénaga to have properly circulated water. The Bocana Estabilizada de Mareas, however, has unfortunately caused a side effect on the northern part of the Ciénaga de la Virgen. This situation has caused a loss of pressure in the lagoon that disrupted the natural tidal shifts that used to promote a healthy exchange of water with the sea during the rainy season. Therefore, the waters in the northern part of the Ciénaga have become stagnant, devoid of oxygenation, and with an increasingly higher salt content, which is extremely detrimental for the plants, people, and animals that call the northern part of the Ciénaga de la Virgen their home. This is why cleaning and strengthening the natural waterways of the Ciénaga de Juan Polo is a key step in healing this vital body of water. Understanding the importance of this natural wetland, we are committed to contribute towards its restoration. As part of the roadmap to achieve this, we are going to re-establish and maintain one of the previously existing canals, the Boca de los Manzanillos. By constructing strategically placed water breakers, jetties, sluices, and unidirectional water locks, we will be able to rehabilitate the exchange of sediments, nutrients, and waters between the Ciénaga and the sea. This will also in turn mitigate flooding by allowing the controllable flow of water while maintaining the adequate temperature and water quality for native organisms to thrive. This will allow us to promote the rational use of the waterways, such as sailing and transport, while maintaining and mitigating any and all negative environmental impacts to the region. The restoration plan will also promote a body of community-driven eco-rangers, which will work hand in hand with the pertinent local authorities to keep watch over this vital ecosystem. All projects and developments will be outlined following a rigorous environmental management plan that is born of scientifically verifiable environmental impact surveys. This will mean that any project won't be started without clear and proper steps towards preventing, mitigating, correcting, and compensating for any possible impact. Additionally, it will be followed by a clear follow-up and monitoring plan with iterative steps to continuously improve Serena del Mar. In Serena del Mar, we want to contribute towards the recovery of the natural state of the Ciénaga, such that it promotes the environmental conditions to protect fauna, flora, and human life that it sustains, focusing on developing an environmentally friendly community where sightseeing, sailing, and responsible use of the fishing and agricultural resources are respected. All in all, we aim to achieve a sustainable relationship between human civilization and the life sustaining natural ecosystem of the Cienega, Serena del Mar, the Dreamed City.